Using small and medium wooden decoration pieces to revamp living spaces offers numerous benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. Wood, as a material, has a timeless appeal that can enhance the overall atmosphere of a home. It brings warmth, texture, and a sense of nature indoors, creating environments that feel inviting and nurturing. The versatility of wood allows for a wide range of decorative options, enabling homeowners to express their personal style while enhancing functionality and comfort. One of the most significant advantages of incorporating wooden decor into living spaces is the warmth and character that wood brings. Unlike cold, synthetic materials, wood has an innate ability to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Its natural grains and textures add depth to a room, making it feel more alive and engaging. This warmth is particularly important in spaces where people gather, such as living rooms and dining areas, as it fosters a sense of connection and comfort among family and friends. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small and medium-sized wooden decoration ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The tactile quality of wood is another crucial aspect that enhances the experience of a home. Wooden decor invites touch and interaction, creating an engaging sensory experience that can elevate the overall ambience of a space. For instance, a beautifully crafted wooden bowl or a unique carved figurine can draw attention and encourage people to engage with their surroundings. This tactile engagement is vital in creating spaces that feel personal and lived in, as it encourages individuals to connect with their environment on a deeper level. Moreover, wooden decor pieces are incredibly versatile and can complement a wide variety of design styles. Whether your home leans towards rustic, modern, minimalist, or eclectic, wood can seamlessly integrate into any aesthetic. Small and medium wooden decorations, such as picture frames, wall art, or decorative boxes, can enhance the overall decor without overwhelming the space. Their adaptability allows homeowners to mix and match different styles and materials, creating unique arrangements that reflect personal taste and creativity. The sustainability of wood is another compelling reason to incorporate it into living spaces. As consumers become increasingly environmentally conscious, choosing wooden decor made from sustainably sourced materials can align with eco-friendly values. Many manufacturers prioritize responsible forestry practices, ensuring that the wood used in their products is harvested in ways that protect ecosystems and promote biodiversity. By opting for wooden decorations, homeowners can contribute to environmental conservation while enjoying the beauty and functionality of natural materials. In addition to their aesthetic and environmental benefits, wooden decor pieces can also enhance the overall health and well-being of a living space. Natural materials like wood have been shown to positively impact indoor air quality, as they can help regulate humidity and absorb harmful pollutants. This can create a healthier living environment, particularly in spaces where families spend significant time. The presence of wood can also foster a sense of calm and tranquility, contributing to a more balanced and serene atmosphere. Furthermore, wooden decorations can serve as conversation starters and focal points within a room. A beautifully crafted wooden sculpture or a unique wall hanging can draw the eye and spark discussions among guests. This ability to create visual interest can enhance the overall atmosphere of a space, making it feel more dynamic and engaging. By carefully selecting and arranging wooden decor pieces, homeowners can create intentional focal points that guide the flow of the room and encourage social interaction. The emotional connection many people have with wooden decor should not be overlooked. Wood has a rich history and is often associated with feelings of nostalgia and comfort. Many individuals have fond memories of wooden furniture or decorations from their childhood, and incorporating similar pieces into their own homes can evoke those cherished memories. This emotional resonance can create a deeper sense of belonging and connection within a living space, making it feel more like home. In terms of practicality, small and medium wooden decoration ideas can significantly enhance the functionality of living spaces. Many wooden decor pieces serve dual purposes, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical use. For example, a wooden tray can serve as a decorative element on a coffee table while also providing a functional surface for organizing items. This versatility is especially valuable in smaller living spaces, where maximizing functionality without sacrificing style is essential. The ease of maintenance associated with wooden decor is another advantage. While wood does require some care to preserve its beauty, the maintenance is often straightforward. Regular dusting and occasional polishing can keep wooden pieces looking their best, and many minor scratches can be easily repaired. This practicality makes wooden decorations an excellent choice for busy households, as they provide beauty and functionality without demanding excessive upkeep. Incorporating small and medium wooden decorations can also encourage creativity and personal expression in interior design. The variety of wood types, finishes, and designs available allows homeowners to experiment with different combinations to create a unique look. Mixing and matching wooden pieces with various colors and textures can result in dynamic and visually appealing arrangements. This creative exploration can be a fulfilling aspect of home decor, enabling individuals to curate spaces that genuinely reflect their identity and style. Additionally, wooden decor can enhance the overall value of a home. Well chosen, quality wooden decorations can contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal of a space, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Unique, handcrafted pieces often stand out in a market filled with mass-produced items, offering a sense of individuality that can be appealing to prospective homeowners. This attention to detail and quality can pay off in the long run, enhancing the marketability of a property. As trends in interior design continue to evolve, the enduring appeal of wood remains a constant. The versatility of wooden decorations allows homeowners to adapt their decor to changing styles and preferences without needing a complete overhaul. Small and medium wooden pieces can be easily swapped in and out, allowing for refreshing updates that keep a space feeling current and inviting. This adaptability is particularly valuable in a fast-paced world where design trends can shift rapidly. In conclusion, the benefits of using small and medium wooden decoration ideas to revamp living spaces are multifaceted and far-reaching. From the warmth and character that wood brings to the versatility and sustainability of the material, wooden decor pieces can significantly enhance the atmosphere and functionality of a home. The emotional connection to wood, along with its practicality and ease of maintenance, makes it an ideal choice for creating inviting and engaging living spaces. By thoughtfully incorporating wooden decorations, homeowners can transform their environments into personalized sanctuaries that reflect their style while fostering a sense of comfort and connection. Ultimately, the presence of wood in home decor not only enriches our living spaces, but also enhances our overall quality of life, creating environments that nurture well-being, creativity, and community. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small and medium-sized wooden decoration ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.